Current honest state analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX looks at your driver scores, training patterns, and physiological data to sort your fitness into 3 honest buckets. It does not sugarcoat things. The goal is to give you a truthful picture of where you stand today. 3 color-coded sections. What today supports: green, your strengths; what is defensible, blue, things that are solid; and what needs development, amber, areas to work on. Each section has titled cards with detailed explanations. The backend runs every learning module detector on your oldest first feature history, and each insight is tagged with a semantic polarity when it is generated. What today supports: green, collects every insight with polarity. Things the data affirms are working for you: steady training, strong hard effort running, good speed work, positive feature to driver correlations. More miles are paying off. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.